Bakit ang daming bumibili nito ngayon? Oh, wow! Guys, ito pa yung bagong EcoFlow Delta 3 Portable Power Station. Marami siyang saksakan dito para sa outlet. Meron ba siya for Type-C, Type-A? May fast charging pa? Guys, this is not only a battery but also a power bank, power station, generator, a solar panel, a car charger, at UPS din siya. Parang sa bigat pa yung UPS kaysa dito. That is right, this is also a UPS. No? Kung meron kang PC dyan, naglalaro ka or meron kang work, tapos biglang nag-brown out, hindi mo siya na-save agad. Don't worry. Mag-i-switch siya from AC to battery, just like that, less than 10 milliseconds, boom, buhay pa rin ang inyong PC. Pero lahat nakapatay. More time to save your work. Up to 1,500 watts po yan of input. Ginagamit ko to lagi kapag nag-brown out. Usually sa electric fan, para hindi ako mainitan. Wi-Fi, syempre, important yon para di ma-board. At yung refrigerator, para di mapanis yung ulam. Kaya nung lahat, tatlo, sabay-sabay dito. Plus so much more. May solar panel pa siya sa taas. Ang dami pang inputs, pati kotse kaya niyang i-charge. This is an incredible piece of device. This is a portable power station. Let us review. It's been watching Unbox Series. Woo! So bumili ako nito ngayon kasi nga grabe yung brownout ngayon. Grabe yung baha, grabe yung nakaw, DPWH. Pero malaga may tayong backup power, hindi contractor. So ito na po yung device and it looks quite small for a power station. This one is super tahimik. Narinig nyo ba yung kanina? Halos wala, diba? May handle pa siya dito. Madaling dalhin. This is 1,024 watt hours but can extend daw up to 5 kilowatt hours. Wow. Pwede mo siya i-expand, pwede mo siya i-scale up pa with extra batteries. Para mas marami kang pwedeng ilagay na appliance. Very solid ang build quality. Plug and play lang lahat. At meron pa siya ditong LED screen, no? Kita-kita yung mga numbers dito. Para matrack mo yung kanyang wattage, yung usage niya, and even yung kanyang charging na. Guys, yung kanyang charging speed sobrang bilis. From 0 to 100% in just 56 minutes. In fact, 10 minutes lang, nasa 30% na siya agad. We are so impressed with the charging speed ng ganito kalaking device. Meron ding solar panel si EcoFlow. This is a 220 watts next gen portable solar panel na pwede mong ikabit sa kanya just in case na gusto mong mag-charge outdoors. Kahit umulan guys, kagana po siya. Mag-charge pa rin siya. Pwede siya mabasa. Naka IP68, water and dust resistance na siya. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 panels na may stand na po siya sa likod para maganda yung angle niya straight sa araw. At meron siyang indicator dito para malaman kung saan dapat siya tututok for maximum output. At yes, foldable na po to Pwede mo siyang i-fold para madali siyang dalhin. Ayan, ganyan po siya. Madali lang i-set up at madali lang siyang idikit dito sa EcoFlow Delta 3. Nasa likod po yun yung kanyang solar input. Ayan po. Up to 15 amperes max. 11 to 60 volts. Ayan po yung orange na yan. So syempre guys, kung gusto makatipid, ayaw nyo gumamit ng Meralco, pwedeng gamitin nyo yung power ng sun. Renewable energy. Pero syempre hindi siya kasing bilis ng AC outlet. Yung isa naman dito, meron siya sa gitna yung extra battery port. Meaning guys, scalable po to na device. Kung gusto mo magdagdag ng extra battery for this, which is sold separately by EcoFlow din, dito mo siya ikakabit para mas lumaki yung kanyang capacity. And of course, meron pa tayong extra power port dito for your power cables. 220 to 240 volts po siya. We even get a dedicated car charger dito. DC on or off. Ito po yung sa kotse, no? Yung parang, yung mahaba. Yung parang merong ball sa dulo. Ayan, so lalabas natin yan. And kung meron kang dangle dyan, pasok mo lang dyan. And boom. And it's got 2 extra outputs here. 3 amperes max. Sa other side naman, ito yung front panel, guys. We got here 1, 2, 3, 4 AC outlets. Dalawang USB Type-C na up to 100 watts na output. At meron tayong fast charging na Type-A ports dito. Meron pa siya extra control to turn the ports on and off kung hindi mo kailangan. Which is nice, no? Let's say, for example, sa lights namin kanina, ito lang binili namin. Tsaka lang siya mag-on. Also, on and off switch para sa mga USB ports. And guys, syempre, pinag-important dito is kanyang tracking o yung kanyang display. Sa display niya, nakita mo yung kung ilang wattage yung ginagamit niya. Like ito, 300 watts. Nung china-charge namin yung device mismo, itong EcoFlow Delta 3, 1,200 watts po siya. So parang ang bilis ng charge niya without output. Kaya lang ang laki, masyadong kurente ang i-consume pag 1,200 watts. With that in mind, syempre, pagka china-charge mo siya ng gano'ng kalaki, kakayanan na niya yung 1,200 to 1,500 lang siya. So parang meron ka pa isang pwede siguro na i-charge na appliance along with the charging na rin nung device. So with the tracking, pwede mo pala makita yung kung how much yung kanyang energy na ginagamit per appliance para malaman mo kung magastos ba tong appliance na to or hindi. Para ma-maximize mo yung savings mo. Hindi nga lang mabuhatin mo siya kahit sa bahay, pero it's okay. At least meron kang tracker. It's got some advanced features, no? Kapag may power outage, it will tell you, meron siyang parang notification, parang may sound. Parang UPS, para sa UPS, di ba? Pagka nag-brown out, Tapos mag-shift na siya sa battery. Guys, less than 10 milliseconds lang. It will switch sa battery mode. You have time to save your work. Or kung meron kang boss na kinakalaban ngayon sa game, kailangan mo siya talunin in 10 minutes. Bago siya mamatay. Kasi hindi forever yan, guys. Lalo kapag may graphics card ka na matindi, no? Yung mga naka RTX 5090 dyan. Pero kung laptop, guys, walang problema. Laptop, electronic devices, kung meron kayong ka-chat ngayon, very urgent siya, may fast charging po siya dito. Kung may katawagan kayo, tabi kayo dito, charge and then mag-video call kayo. Hey, here's my Echo Flow, dear. Which brings me to the pinaka-important talaga ng part ng ating buhay kapag ka nagpa-brown out, guys. Syempre, pag brown out, walang aircon, walang fan, kailangan yun. Kapag may electric fan dito, boom. Tapos syempre, ayaw mo board din, kailangan meron kang wifi, kung wala kang data, diba? Kapag may wifi dito, boom. Tapos syempre, yung refrigerator, no? Kapag ka nawala yung kuryente, pamapanis yung ulam. Kailangan din yung ref dito. Kompleto na. Yun lang wag, yung TV din kailangan. Yung radyo, siguro, pangalawa na yun. Not only for indoors pala, no? But also for outdoors. Actually, pang outdoors talaga siya na device. Pang camping, swimming, pwede mo itong dalhin sa labas. Gusto mag-work remotely sa labas, pwede naman. Kapit mo dito yung laptop mo. Kung ikaw ay filmmaker, meron kang drone dyan, ito mo siya i-charge. Pwede. Or your lights, no? Kung meron kang mga lights dyan, tapos wala kang mahanap na close na outlet. Guys, ito yung bilhin mo. Dito may kabit. Ayun. That's a nice solution. Especially in the middle of nowhere. Wala tayong mahanap na outlet dyan. This is what you need during those times. Mga pangluto, yun, pwede rin. Outdoors. Kasing size nila yung microwave oven. As heavy as a corgi. 12.5 kilograms. Gaan. And check this out, meron pa siya sa taas na parang mini solar panel, built-in na siya. Pero it's not gonna be as effective as yung ating malaking next-gen 220 watts portable solar panel. Kung gusto mo talaga i-maximize yung charging speed, go with that. And also for extra savings. Ito kasi medyo maliit lang yung kanyang area na kayang i-accommodate. So, maliit lang yung kanyang i-charge dito sa Echo Flow Delta 3. Meron siyang storm warning feature kapag may bagyo, malakas yung kidlat, tapos biglang nag-brown out. Yes, it will warn you. And of course, syempre, mag-shift siya dun sa battery mode. Ayun. So meaning, pwede mo siyang gamitin na lagi nakasaksak sa outlet lagi para lagi niyan charge yung mga ibang Pwede mo siyang gamitin as extension port or parang extension tower. Ayun. Tapos kapag nag-brown out na, mag-change siya dun sa battery mode, which is lahat mamamatay except yung mga nasaksak dito. So if meron kang anything na important talaga, like sa PC, like naglalaro ka or nag-work ka sa PC, dito mo dapat siya ikabit para mabackupan siya agad. Anything that requires a backup, this one you need to use. Yung wifi, syempre ayaw mo maputol yung wifi mo. Oh, by the way guys, hindi ibig sabihin na pag naputol yung kuryente, mawawala na rin yung wifi connection nyo or broadband connection. Andyan pa rin yan. Ang kailangan lang is kuryente. So ito na yun. Doon lang data. Yung output niya, up to 3,600 watts po siya, max. Now the rated output is 1,800 watts. Meron pa siyang X-Boost, 2,400 watts, and it can go up to 3,600 watts surge mode. Supports up to 99% of household devices. And guys, grabe din yung kanyang battery life. When I mean by battery life, hindi yung kanyang longevity when it comes to charging a device, but yung kanyang longevity as a device itself. So kanyang battery ay umabot daw up to 10 years, 4,000 cycles. So up to 10 years daw, meron pa siyang up to 80% ng kanyang battery life or battery efficiency. The Delta 3 Plus Solar also comes with its own app, the Echo Flow app. Ganito ba yung itsura niya sa phone? And as you can see, you can actually monitor the wattage. You can actually monitor the whole thing with the application. Of course, syempre yung UPS reminders, storm warning, andito rin, real-time battery tracking, and even remote control. You can do that within the Echo Flow app. Paano remote control? Ito guys pwede ko i-on and off yung isang appliance using the app alone. And that, my friends, is the Echo Flow Delta Free, blackout proof, fast charging, portable, and expandable. Syempre guys, with this, partner mo sa kanya, now it's unstoppable. Unlimited power. Kumero. Compact, waterproof, keeps power flowing anywhere. With the Echo Flow Delta 3, you're always ready. And with the Echo Flow Next Gen 220 watts portable solar panel, you're now unstoppable. Pero guys, yung price nito, check nyo lang guys. Down below. It's like having a very portable, high-end na generator. Plug and play lang siya. Tahimik. But the question is, are you gonna buy it? Let me know guys in the comments below. All I can say is, sobrang game-changing niya, especially sa panahon ngayon. Life can be very challenging, but with the Echo Flow Delta Free, it just makes things a lot more easier. Dito mo na lang gamitin ng taxpayers' money. Just kidding, if you wanna see more reviews just like this one, mag-subscribe ka na, hit the bell icon, so that you don't miss any of my great videos. But means you're watching Unbox Diaries. Ooh.